Oh, I got a lot of heart and a lot of passion. God gave me all the strength, now my demons passing. I was starving for success like a nigga fasting. All them demons lurking at me, I won't let them back in. I've been really working while they napping. Tell me why you can't be real with me, show your actions. I've been keeping it 1,000, you've been keeping fractions. But I bet when I'm a blow, they be wanting back in. My city going crazy, but I swear that's where all these niggas made moves, got views, now they hate me. Got on, got big, now they raid me. I got 90 problems like Daisy, but I can never let the problem be a lady. Sunshine for the times it was rainy. Work too hard for niggas to go blame me. So I did it on my lonely. Lazy ass kid had to get rid of the old me. Real recognize real, I never been a phony. Built from the mud, so I nigga don't like cozy. Cause old dogs when that shit don't even seem right. Smart ass nigga, but his OG didn't lead right. Yeah, that's my dog, I promise that he mean right. Shit I seen the day, I swear you wouldn't wanna see twice. So much blessings, I'ma get that. Leave all the street shit, I told my nigga, and that. The bad and the setbacks, like a nigga deaf, I don't hear coming. Oh, I got a lot of heart and a lot of passion. God gave me all the strength, now my demons passing. I was starving for success like a nigga fasting. All them demons lurking at me, I won't let them back in. I've been really working while they napping. Tell me why you can't be real with me, show your actions. I've been keeping it 1,000, you've been keeping fractions. But I bet when I'm a blow, they be wanting back in. Now a nigga up, everybody wanna say something. I won't take it back, ain't nobody didn't say that. Niggas wanna change, but my city been the same one. They don't know my name till a nigga about to make one. Didn't rock with me, I noticed. You just wanna hate on me, I'm focused. I done dropped a tear before I roll this. Why you bring me down, I'm at my lowest. I'ma ride my rules, not what he say. Gotta thank the most high on my B-day. Niggas wanna kill me, this shit ain't easy. Cause when it comes to the money, they get sleazy, yeah. So much blessings, I'ma get that. Leave all the street shit, I told my nigga, and that. To the bad and the setbacks, like a nigga deaf, I don't hear coming. Oh, I got a lot of heart and a lot of passion. God gave me all the strength, now my demons passing. I was starving for success like a nigga fasting. All them demons lurking at me, I won't let them back in. I've been really working while they napping. Tell me why you can't be real with me, show no action.